Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the KASLIGHT H6054 LED headlights. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, and let you know whether or not they're worth buying. All right, so as we get the box open, again, it's a 2-pack here. You'll have a manual there to work with, and I just want to show you what these look like, and then obviously up to you to install. I'm not going to show that process. I am not a trained professional. I'm going to have somebody install them on my behalf, but I did want to just show you what they look like and how big they are. So size-wise, get a good feel. You'll see the plug. It's a really simple connection. Tear the front off here, plastic. This will give you this is rubber, short but long enough. Connection cord, not really too much to it. As you can see, a lot of LED lights and very compact. So awesome, and that's what it looks like. So hopefully this review helps you a little bit. Obviously not showing the installation, so I do apologize about that. Please don't hate me for that. I just want to show you what it looks like up close and give you a feel for the front and the back. So hopefully this did help. Thanks for watching. Definitely worth buying.